Happy New Year here from the Desplain River. We started at 9 o'clock. But anyway, here we are. There's no one else around. It's a few joggers, a lot of geese. It's not that cold, which is... But yeah, we're gonna keep going. 18.5 miles. 5 miles in. 36. Beautiful day. Lots of snow. Bit of wind coming from the south. Too bad, too bad. Look at the beautiful views. Just excellent. Very peaceful. Few animals. We'll keep going a few more miles. We'll stop for a soup. Here we are, 10 miles in, after a bit of soup. It's brilliant. It's a warmer upper. Anyway, stopped, it's lots of beach. It's actually really low this time of year, even though it rained a couple of days. So it's very difficult to get a high angle on the paddle. Having to keep it pretty low to keep going. I haven't got stuck yet, although it was close a couple of times. Anyway, 8.5 miles left. Still not too